Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make some charwood. Here's an example of it working right here. Okay, so step number one, you're going to need to find some punkwood. You can identify this by some half-rotten, pretty dry wood. And then you're going to break into some pieces. So that was step number one. For step number two, you're going to need some sort of a metal container and a sharp knife and some sort of hammering tool like a stick. So you're going to make a hole in the middle, not too large. So then you can just put your wood inside of this container. And just throw it into some fire and let it cook. It's going to need a lot of heat. You might notice some fire coming from the hole that you've made. So once it's been a while, I don't know, like 30 minutes, you want to pull out the container. Now it is very hot, so give it some time. Once that's done, you can open it and you've got yourself some charwood. Now this charwood is very easily ignitable with a flint and steel. In this case I'm using a ferro rod because I don't have a flint and steel, but I assure you that a flint and steel will work just the same. So here it lit very easily. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hope this helps you survive. Here I'm just gonna put out the flame so that I can reuse this, but in this survival situation you probably just use the actual coal.
Alright, here.
Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.